Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to explore most required and amazing tool. In this tutorial we are going to build GUI based PDF locker tool. For this we will use Tkinter to build the GUI based application and PyPDF2 for read the PDF. So before moving to our tutorial, watch the video till end. And if you like our tutorial, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First, we will import PDF reader and PDF writer. So write from PyPDF2 import PDF file writer and PDF file reader. After that, we will import Tkinter. So write import Tkinter as tk. After that, we will import another Tkinter object. So write import Tkinter.ttk as ttk. Now at the end, we will import file dialog and message dialog from Tkinter. So write from Tkinter import file dialog and message box. So we have completed our import statements. Now here we will declare some global variable. First we will declare file name. After that we will declare password variable, and at the end we need password entry variable. So we have declared our global variables. Now let's create the window. So write win equal to tk.tk. So here we have create one object of window. Now we will set the height and width of window. So write geometry, and in this bracket we have to pass our height and width. So I am specifying as a 300 by 200. Now we have to give the title of the window. So write win.title, and in this bracket we will write PDF locker. After that we will set the title. So write title equal to tk.label, and in this bracket first we have to pass the window object. After that we have to give the text. So here we are specifying the text as PDF locker. After that we will also specify the font. So write font equal to, in this bracket we will pass the font name. So write Arial, and after that we have to specify the size of the font, and at the end we will set this text to center. So write justify equal to center, and we will put this title in 0 row and 0 column. So we will specify row as 0, and we will also specify column as 0, and we will give col span 8. So we have set our title to our window. Now this title shows in title bar, and this title is shows in one label in our window. Now we will set one label to tell the user that select PDF. So write label 1 equal to ttk dot label, and in this bracket first we have to pass the window object. After that we have to specify the text. So our text is select file, and we will set this label 1 to our row 1. So write row equal to 1, column equal to 0, and we will set padding as a 10. Now we have to select the file. So write select file equal to ttk.button. So when user click on this button, we have to open the dialog and select the file. So first we have to pass the window object. After that we will specify the text. So write text equal to choose file, and we will set this button to our grid. So write select file dot grid, and here we will set as in row 1 and also in column 1, and we will give the padding as a 10, and at the end we will write window dot main loop. So this function holds the window. So we have set our GUI part. Now let's create one function for encrypt the PDF file. So here first we will create one function for select PDF. So write def select PDF, and we will take global variables. So write global file name and global pass underscore entry. Now we will open the dialog for taking the file. So write file name equal to file dialog dot ask open file name. So it will return the file name. After that we will set one label. So write file label equal to tk dot label, and first we will pass the window object. After that we will pass the text. So our text is selected file colon. Here we have to display the file name, and we will set the color as red. Now we will set the file label to our grid. So row equal to 2 and column equal to 0, and we will specify the column span as 8 and specify the padding as 5. I hope you will understand the tutorial. If you have any query, do comment or DM us on Instagram. Watch the video till end so you will understand properly. And if you like our tutorial, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Do support. So after this we have to specify one label for taking the password. So we will write pass label equal to tk dot label, and in this bracket first we have to pass the window object. After that we have to specify the text. So write password for PDF, and we will set this password label to our grid. So we will write row equal to 3 and column equal to 0, and at the end we will specify padding as a 10. Now we will take the password from user. So write password entry equal to tk dot entry, and in this bracket first we will pass the window object. After that we will pass the width. So we will set the width as 25. After that we will set this password entry to our grid. So write password entry dot grid. We will set the row as 3 and column as 1. Here we will also specify the call span as 2 and padding as 10. If you want to learn Tkinter in detail, comment below. So I will make all the detailed video of Tkinter. So our entry box is displayed. Now here we have to set one button that when user clicks on this button, we have to lock the PDF. So write lock button equal to ttk dot button, and here we have to pass one object. After that we will specify the text as encrypt file. After that we will set the width as 30, and we will set this button to our grid. So write row equal to 4 and column equal to 0. We will set the call span as 8, and we will give the padding to 10, and at the end we will return file name. So in this function we have selected our file. Now we will write one function for encrypt our PDF. So write df encrypt, and here we will take global file name. After that we will take global password. Now here we will create one object for write PDF file. So write out equal to PDF file write, and here we have to read the PDF. So write file equal to PDF reader, and in this bracket we have to pass the PDF. So our PDF is stored in this file name variable. Now we have to get the number of pages. So write num equal to file dot num pages. Below this we will take one loop for reading our PDF. So write idx in range. In this bracket we will pass this num variable, and we will set page equal to file dot get pages. So it will get the page of specified index, and it will add the page to our write parameter. Now below this for loop we have to take the password. So write password equal to password entry dot get. So it will get the text from text view. Now we will encrypt this PDF. So write out dot encrypt, and in this bracket we will pass the password. Now we have to write this PDF. So write with open. We will save the PDF as encrypt underscore PDF dot PDF, and we will take the mode as WD as F. Now here we will save our PDF file as encrypt PDF, and we will write the file. So write out dot write, and in this bracket we will pass the object. So here we have lock our PDF. Now let's display the message. So write message box dot show info, and in this bracket we will write success, and after that we will write file saved. Here we have specified the type. I hope you have understand the logic. If we repeat the logic, first we have create the object of write PDF. After that we have read the PDF in this file object. Now we have get the PDF file and write it into this out object, and we have logged the PDF of this out object, and we have saved this PDF as encrypt PDF file, and we have saved this PDF file as encrypt PDF, and at the end we will display the message that file saved. I hope you have understood this logic. Now here we have to set the action of this button. So write command, and here we will call encrypt function, and when user clicks on this choose PDF file, we have to set the command. So here we will also set command equal to select PDF. So I hope you have understand this logic. Now let's run the code and see the output. Now to run the Python file, we have to write python space pdflocker.py. So we can see our PDF locker is running successfully. Now let's choose the file and lock the PDF. So let's click on this choose file button and select our PDF file. So our file path is too big. Now write the password here and click on this encrypt file button. So we get the success message and it shows file saved successfully. Now let's go to this file location and see the PDF file. So here we can see one encrypt PDF file is generated. Now let's open this PDF file and see what's happened. So it will ask for password. Now first I am typing wrong password, so it will show incorrect password. Now let's enter the right password. So we can see our PDF is opened successfully. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have understood this tutorial. If you like our tutorial, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Do support. You will get this code. Link is given in the description box. Stay tuned.